Take a look at this sleek mortising machine. It is light enough to be easily moved around the shop, yet still maintain rigidity for repeatable precision mortises. The double steel support columns are well suited for day-to-day operations, and they save on the encumbering weight of solid cast iron construction. The multi-positional handle maximizes leverage, and the 1/2 HP motor, easily adjustable depth stop, and smooth rack and pinion head travel will make easy work of mortises in even the hardest of wood types. This machine can also double as a drill press by quickly replacing the mortising chisel with the provided chuck and arbor. XE CNC router uses 300-watt spindle and NEMA 23-stepper motors, which are more powerful and efficient. Max moving speed is 2000 mm per minute and spindle speed range is 0-10,000. Control board, power supply, emergency stop, and wires are integrated into a newly designed box, which is simple for operation, easy to clean and safe. The controller has a 3.5-inch touchscreen LCD which also functions as an offline controller. The input voltage is 110 volt. It's capable to engrave, cut, and drill many different kinds of material such as wood, metal, MDF, acrylic, foam, resin, nylon, carbon fiber, PCB, and etc. Easy assembly. Main parts are pre-assembled. It only takes 15 to 30 minutes to fully assembly. Wires are labeled clearly for fast connection and bundled into drag chain for easy management. "12-inch clamps for woodworking. Clamping capacity up to 300 mm, 12 inches, throat depth 55 mm, 2 1/8 inches. Maximum spreading capacity 500 mm, 19 and 11/16 inches, reversible jaw from clamps to a spreader, hardened steel bar. Overall length 520 mm, rail size 19 by 6 mm, soft pads protect finer finishes, 100 kg per 220 pounds clamping force. 12-inch wood clamp suit for light-duty works, woodworking clamps and DIY carpentry, easy to use. Ideal Japanese-type woodworking hand planer for surface finishing of wood. You can make smooth chamfers by polishing the wood with this hand tool. Because it is used by pulling instead of pushing, it is easy to apply force evenly, and accurate and efficient straight carpentry work is possible. It can be used not only for professional carpenters but also for a home DIY woodworkers. As the plain body is big size, you can grasp it with both hands well and are easy to sharpen wide-side at one time. The moderate weight body enables you to pull the plane smoothly. Only Japanese high-grade materials are used. The plane blade is razor-sharp and durable. It is possible to restore the sharpness by sharpening the blade with a whetstone. Also, the wooden body is heavy-duty and excellent wear resistance. Keep your workshop free of sawdust and improve the air quality with the ShopFox W1727 dust collector from Woodstock International. Designed for portability, the model W1727 1 HP dust collector can be moved from one machine to another when needed, instead of having to build an entire fixed dust collection system and running ducts to each machine. The W1727 features a safety switch with a removable key to protect against unauthorized use. This paddle switch provides a greater degree of safety over other types of 110-volt on-off switches due to its oversized paddle and removable lockout key. No more fumbling around to locate the off button. Simply slap the paddle down to switch off power. This 12-inch General Tools woodworking dovetail jig is an easy way to create professional joints, including half-blinded, edge-to-edge, square, and through joints. The integrated clamps allow precise jig clamping to the workpiece, and there is no need to bolt the jig onto the workbench as other companies recommend. When you're constantly picking up and putting down a router with an exposed bit, it's convenient to park the tool on a safe platform.
Sometimes you just need to apply more pressure than standard clamps can handle. And Bessie's I-beam clamps are ideal for this sort of heavy-duty work. When working with stair treads, butcher blocks, or other heavy assemblies, long clamps that will not flex are essential. The 1 3/8" nickel-plated I-beam that gives these clamps their name keep the jaws aligned even under extreme pressure. The large handles on the ductile iron jaws allow for rapid engagement, but are long enough to provide leverage when it's needed. And 5 clutch plates in the movable jaw allow them to be moved smoothly and easily while still holding under pressure. In this cross-grain mortise and tenon joint, the tenon is cut slightly longer than the mortise. Squeezing the panel until the tenon fits within the mortise allows the panel to shrink without risking splitting. This process requires that significant pressure is brought to bear on the panel without distorting it. And with 7,000 pounds of clamping force, the I-beam is just the tool for the job. With bar lengths from 24 to 96 inches, the I-beam clamps have the power and capacity for all of your larger projects. The 3/4 inch Acme screw in the fixed head allows for rapid setting of the jaws while providing control over the pressure being applied. And the feet cast into the jaws allow the handle to turn even over a work surface. When your projects require applying significant pressure across large areas without flexing, Bessie's I-beam clamps make the task easier by setting up quickly and applying as much as 7,000 pounds of force up to 96 inches away.
This is the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. With a 2¼ horsepower 12-amp motor, this router can provide 8,000 to 25,000 RPM and tackle those tough routing applications and materials. Turn the speed up or down with the variable speed dial depending on the job at hand. This Bosch router is available with plunge and fixed bases. The fixed base has threaded holes to mount to a router table. The wide base opening and 2-inch subwoofer opening accepts larger bits, while the front spindle lock lets you easily and quickly change bits. Coarse and microfine adjustment knobs allow for versatile, precise depth adjustment. Soft start reduces startup torque, and constant response circuitry helps to maintain a constant speed under load while providing overload protection. Precision centering design makes it easy to keep the bit on the intended outline when using jigs, templates, dovetail fixtures, and other guidance devices. Right or left switch location allows for user preference and consistency so the motor doesn't rotate during depth adjustment. Contoured soft grip handles enhance comfort and control.
Introducing the Plate Joiner, slim and ergonomic. With its cast aluminum front body, it's designed for making strong plate joints with efficiency, accuracy, convenience, speed, and comfort. The PJ7000 has non-marring rubber inserts engineered to prevent material from slipping. The powerful 5.6 amp motor delivers 11,000 RPM for quick, precise cutting. The rack and pinion vertical fence system is engineered for accurate adjustments with 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. It has 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops and common biscuit sizes. The double insulated PJ7000 also has a toolless blade cover and shaft lock for easy blade changes. Quick changing bag means cleaner work. The Plate Joiner by Makita.
Jaw width 165.1 mm, 6.5 inch opening, 150 mm, 6 inch throat depth, 97 mm, 3.8 inch. Multifunctional, mounting vise on the workbench, then you could do the work of grinding, cutting, and etc. Tapping work can also be done on the anvil of bench vise. Pipe jaw can clamp round workpiece. More flexible, with 270-degree rotating base, large anvil, and corrosion-resistant handle. Perfect dual-purpose vices, this 6.5-inch vise is suitable for both industrial and DIY home use.